Our new advanced laser beam welding facility aims to explore new manufacturing welding techniques on previously unweldable and challenging materials, enhancing manufacturing sustainability and product quality. Fully customizable welding patterns enables high flexibility for dynamic weld shaping, resulting in improved material efficiency, improved energy efficiency through high processing speeds, and therefore lower manufacturing costs. This brings the ability to quickly change the beam shapes through temporally and spatially controlled laser distributions, ranging from several kilohertz up to megahertz. Embedded AI solutions using physics-informed machine learning minimize imperfections within the weld and dramatically reduce development time. Controlling the beam intensity profile adds a powerful new degree of freedom, unlocking the ability to weld challenging material combinations. Societal shifts, including electrification, are resulting in a massive spike in the demand for welding skills, technology and services, and we are proud to host this cutting-edge facility in the UK at WMG. This new facility will help de-risk the uptake of dynamic beam shaping and prove the benefits, resulting in a validated, science-based, flexible manufacturing process that is ready for deployment into industry.